Hey friends. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. If you're not new here, welcome back. You must be a glutton for punishment. So today's episode is going to be something a little different. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to post this. My dogs are driving me crazy. I don't even know if I'm going to post this because it's so ridiculous. I'm going to call it Kitchen Confessions. Okay. All right, so here's my confession. I hate sourdough starter. I cannot stand it. Like, I am so pissed. It makes me so mad. It really, truly makes me angry. Why? Because I cannot keep this thing alive to save my life. I have birthed and raised 2 children. My daughter is almost 20 and my son is 17. Healthy, happy, like members of society kind of people. Yet I cannot get my sourdough starter to live. I do not know what I have done or not done. I've looked at several different recipes and they're all basically the same. So I first started, now granted, preface this, I have made sourdough starter before and it was never really it seemed like it never really got going, if that makes sense. So maybe the first couple days it would, do what it's supposed to do. And then it would just be stagnant. Got frustrated and I thought, you know what, we'll just try it again. It'll be fine. So here it is. Now granted, it's winter. It's it's February now. It's cold. So maybe my house is just too cold. But when I first started this second round of sourdough starter, I thought, you know what? I'm not going to measure. I'm going to measure with my heart. I'm not going to sit here and pull out a scale and pinch off grams of flour. I'm not going to do that. We're going to be, we're just going to go with the flow. I'm going to be happy and it's going to be happy and it's going to work out and it's going to be great. No. It did not work. Okay, so then I thought, okay. Now granted, I was using a measuring cup. I just wasn't weighing it out. So then I thought, okay, maybe that's a problem. Maybe I've got too much flour or too much water. So let me weigh it out. So I weighed it out. Same thing. Maybe the first day was fine, and then after that, nothing. Actually, not even the first day. It's literally doing nothing. I've got it sitting in the window because I'm hoping that the sun will warm it up. I've put it in the oven with the light on. I've put it in the microwave with hot water and steam. Literally nothing, guys. I am so freaking over sourdough bread. I truly am. So I'm sitting here, I'm frustrated. I'm looking at different forums thinking, okay, there's got to be something. I mean, millions of people make sourdough. It's not like sourdough bread is a new concept. People have been making it for years, thousands of years, probably since they were able to crush some wheat and make bread. We're talking Adam and Eve probably made some sourdough bread by accident, So why is this so difficult? I don't know. So I looked and some people were like, okay, well, maybe you need to, if your sourdough starter is not, if you can hear my dogs in the background, I apologize. We have a house full of animals. I have 2 little ones a Yorkie and a Pom mix. And then I have a German Shepherd, who's my son's dog. And then I have my daughter's dog, who we're watching right now. She's a psychopath, but I love them all. They're so great. Anyway, okay, so back to my long drawn out story. I went on the forums and I'm looking at the sourdough starter, like, what can I be doing wrong? And they're like, oh, well, maybe add whole wheat flour. Oh, maybe do this flour. Okay, so I'm trying these different flours. I'm mixing whole wheat flour. And granted, I'm using like organic, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I'm not using bottom shelf flour, you know? I'm using like top shelf, organic, freshly milled, whatever kind of flour. I got the whole wheat, and then I got the all purpose. So I've got those mixed together. And then I'm like, okay, maybe I need more whole wheat and less all purpose. So I'm mixing that. Then I saw another thing. It's like, okay, don't use tap water. Make sure you use filtered water. I'm using filtered water. Like, what are we doing? Why are we going through all this trouble? It should not be that difficult. So what the heck am I doing wrong? What I truly want to know. Is it because it's too cold in here? I don't get it. Like, I literally can bake bread without even looking at it. I can make it. I don't have a problem making bread. I cannot make this stupid stuff. Like, so I've got two different little canisters here. This one, I actually mixed bread flour and water, thinking, okay, maybe that will help. And then this one is still my mix. This one is my whole wheat all-purpose mix. Like, nothing. I don't see anything going on. I've warmed my water up thinking, okay, maybe it's the water. Maybe I need to warm my filtered water. Maybe it's too cold. I'm so over it, guys. Like, I'm so over it. I just don't even know. I don't even know what to do. And yes, I'm sitting on a step stool. So yeah, send help. I don't know what I'm doing, apparently. As of this week, I'm giving these a few more days. And I'm telling you, I've had this going for weeks, and I'm getting tired of wasting my flour. So I'm gonna give it a few more days. And if I'm not seeing any signs of life, I'm throwing these away. I'm not interested in doing sourdough, discard, any of that garbage. I just want to make a loaf of sourdough bread. That's all I want. That's all I want to do. So, if you have any words of wisdom, if you've made it this far in the video, I don't even know how long this video is. If you've made it this far and you're still watching me, God bless you. But yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm lost. I think I'm seriously going to start a support group for Sourdough Bakers Anonymous. You come and we have a little weekly meeting confessing our tragedies of sourdough starter. And yeah, I haven't even gotten to the hard part of making the bread and all the nuances and the holes and the divots and the this and the that. Like, I don't even care about that, guys. Like, that stresses me out. I'm on some of these little Facebook groups, like sourdough Facebook groups. And if I start critiquing every single hole in my bread, which I've done, no, I'm sorry, I'm not going to make it. Like, it's not worth it. Like, this is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be stressless. It's, bread should not make you crazy. And it's making me crazy. So if you might have an idea of what I'm doing wrong. Like, do I need to get a special little heating pad for it? Like, that's where I'm at right now. Like, do I need to get a heating pad for my sourdough starter? This is ridiculous. Yeah, do I need to get a little blanket and a pacifier for my sourdough starter? Y'all, this is real life. I've got dishes in the sink. I've got dogs whining and acting crazy and just making this video very difficult to record. My hair is extra bushy today. Yeah, my lipstick is on. My lipstick is very bright. But yeah, anyway, thanks for amusing me today. If you have any questions, don't ask me because I don't know. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments because I honestly don't know. I really don't. I have no clue what I'm doing anymore. I feel like I've given up. Not on life, just on sourdough bread. Sourdough starter, excuse me. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Love y'all. I hope you have a blessed week, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye, guys. Why don't you work for me?